Did you watch Loft PD last night?
No, I didn't get to watch it.
Oh, well, we can watch this instead.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay. So I'm going to give you this schedule of tax withholding.
Oh, I hate this class.
We need hall monitors.
Can't believe they gave me another detention.
What time is it?
It's 1:05, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, shh.
Miss Graham, send in the new cadets. Step into my office, gentlemen. Gentlemen, we've had too many incidents of people acting up in the hallways. Major violations up here, and we're going to put a stop to it. You two guys are going to be my archangels. You're going to be my enforcers. You two are going to be my new hall monitors. I have here your hall monitor badges and hall monitor pads. You will write down the names of any violations and you will bring it back to the office. And those people will be punished to the fullest extent of the law. Can I trust you? Gentlemen.
Yes.
Are these just ATA pads?
Never mind that. Get out of my office and get to work.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do. Yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had...
My name's Dayton. I've been here 2 years. I'm a senior.
I'm a senior. Been here for about 6 years now.
My fellow comrade, Wyatt. We gotta clean up the streets or the hallways.
There's a lot of thuggery going on here.
We're gonna work towards stall doors. Mr. Cross gave us a quota for 50 tickets a week in the hallway, and 50 tickets equals 1 stall door, so we're coming for you.
Got a couple kids. Still live with my parents.
2319, on my way. Got a runner.
That's good. I just really thought that being a hall monitor would really turn my life around. Maybe they'd let me graduate. So that's why I was really happy about getting a position as a hall monitor.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do?
Hey, you see that?
Ticket.
Bad boys.
Hey.
Alright, hands where I can see them. That'll be 1 for stealing food and 1 for resisting arrest.
Bad boys.
Need some help over here.
Boy, if you don't get.
Oh, hey, a penny.
Well, we have had a pretty good week, and unfortunately, we didn't get the requirement that Mr. Cross set for us, so he said he's going to shut down the hall monitor program.
It hasn't really been that great of an experience. I mean, I got fired in 5 days, and then the cameraman died.
So all in all, I'd say the hall monitor program was a terrible experience, and it was a horrible idea.
Yeah, this was a disaster, so.
This is Hall Monitor Wyatt signing off.
This is a hall monitor Dayton. Former hall monitor Dayton, signing off. Somebody help me get the mic.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you?
Bianca, do you really have 14 cavities?
Yes, I do.
You should try these chips. I heard they work.
Oh, hey. Dr. Donnell here again. Caught me at a bad time, but got our new product today. What'd you say? Medicine chips.
Boy, if you don't get.
These chips will help you with so many problems. Don't believe me? Let's go ask some of our patients. Our first customer has a lot of cavities. Medicine chips will fill her cavities in less than 5 seconds.
Ow.
I guess it didn't work. These chips only work for cavities between 1 and 3, not 7 and 14. These chips can help somebody make a better ACT score. Now, I'm not going to say any names, but somebody needs the help. Here. You deserve this.
Oh my god! Yay! Wow! Oh my god!
Now that's a satisfied customer. These chips do have a few side effects though. One of them being that they're pretty spicy. I'm here with Dr. Thralls, a professor at the University of Miss Kingery, certified taste tester of our medicine chips. What do you have to say about our chips? Tasty. Call now.
Man, what are you doing?
Putting powder on. I'm addicted to it.
Hi, my name's Wyatt. I'm addicted to wearing my backpack all the time. Don't ask me why, I just do it. It just feels comfortable. I'll just be walking around the school and I'm like, dang, this is comfortable. And then I sit down, I'm like, it's still comfortable. And then sometimes I stand up and I'm like, it's still comfortable. And then I'll just be walking around the class and I'm like, this is really comfortable. And so sometimes I'll just keep it on because it's comfortable. I'll be sleeping in my bed, I'll be like, dang, it was comfortable. So I just keep it on all night. I wake up, take a shower. My books get a little bit wet, but it's pretty comfortable, so I just keep it on.
I'm Jay Ramsey, and I'm addicted to wearing my pants on backwards. I've been trying to get people to wear their pants like this. It's just the way they were supposed to be made. It's comfortable. It gives you a lot more breathing room, and put your pants on right.
My name is Bianca, and I'm addicted to not wearing shoes ever. They just don't feel comfortable to me. Like my feet feel trapped, and I don't like that. So, people always tell me, Bianca, put on some shoes. I'm like, no way, Jose. No way. Gotta let the dogs free. I tried wearing shoes one time, and I threw a tantrum. So, I didn't put him on anymore.
Bianca, do you like The Office?
No, not really.
We're gonna lock the classroom.
Okay.
Keithley? Nasty! Stop!
Well, I don't know if she knows it, but my Valentine would have to be Miss Kingery. I'm pretty sure she likes me back.
Keithley, like, I don't like Keithley at all. Like, I can't stand Keithley.
I'm pretty sure everybody in the class knows it, so.
Keithley likes to pretend he's in charge in 6th period. Keithley's not in charge 6th period.
But, yes, I've been competing with John. And I'm trying to win her heart over. Pretty sure I'm winning, so.
I think I'll stick with John.
So guys, I've had my eye on this certain boy. He's pretty cute, and I can't tell you his name, but I can tell you his initials, and those are FB. He's also really thick. He has a really good body, and I think I'm attracted to that.
Did you get a Valentine?
No, I'm not really worried about it. I've been really busy in the classroom with all the work I've been having to do because Kingery wants to yell at me every 5 minutes. I did get her a Valentine's Day gift, though. It's sat on her desk for a week. She never ate it. Did you eat it? Yes. She ate it.
I actually ate the candy. Once I realized that Dayton was the only person to bring me any candy, I dug the bag out of the trash when everyone else was out recording. I could taste how cheap it was, or maybe it was just the trash. But either way, cheap.
Bianca, who got you a Valentine's?
Nobody, but Jake is going to get a Valentine from me. I love
So yeah, I just went through a breakup not that long ago. So Valentine's Day was kind of weird. But I figured it out and got a Valentine anyway. My Valentine isn't just one person, it's the entirety of this country. And liberty. And freedom. And also the Declaration of Independence. And the Constitution. And also George Washington.
Do you know what's going on in school? No. We should watch the news.
Hi, welcome to UCTV News. I'm your host.
Alex.
I'm the host. You're the co-host.
Alex.
You stay over there.
Host Alex.
Host Dayton.
Host Alex.
Welcome back to UCTV. We're your hosts, Alex and Dayton, Dayton and Alex. Today, we're going to go and we're going to look at the weather with Bianca. And here's Alex with the weather.
It's raining upside down.
My pants are all backwards.
It turns out Bianca may have more than 14 cavities.
26. 26 to be exact. What am I saying?
I don't know, whatever. First we can talk about why Jay's wearing his pants backwards today.
I think he hit his head on a rock.
When?
Yesterday. Because it wouldn't happen today.
Didn't you have a crush on Jay for like a long time?
I'm gonna punch you in the throat. Oh.
Please cut this.
I can't think of it today.
You look like a who from Hey.
Are we
Now to autumn with the sports.
We lost.
So currently there's no sports going on right now.
Yes, there is. That's a baseball.
Shut up.
Hey,
Who's doing sports?
exactly.
Yeah, it's a scrimmage, not a game, is it?
We have an ACT scrimmage.
And back to, I thought it was you with Miss Kingery.
To catch my breath.
Bloopers.
No!
Bloopers.
I wasn't good.
Bloopers. 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 Bloopers.
Whenever you
Bloopers.
You smell good.
Bloopers. Harry Potter. Bloopers.
go.
Bloopers. Hi, Miss Kingery. Bloopers. Bloopers. Bloopers.
You better not hit me with that.
Bloopers.
Can I come out now?
No.